make the game in C++ from scratch without using any engine, without using any off-the-shelf engine, Unreal Engine, no Godot, no Unity, and I'm making the game in C++, and I'm using BGFX as a middleware. It's middle end on top of graphic APIs like OpenGL, Vulkan, DirectX, so it can do all of it. It can do Metal, it can do Web GL, and it just consolidate all of these, and you can with small tweaks make it work with any of that. So currently it is set up to work on top of Vulkan, and at some point in time it did work with DirectX 12, but of course I'm pretty sure everything is broken. But I think hopefully I would be able to fix it up and make it work for DirectX, and hopefully in 1 week if I would have time. But I'm planning to start doing this thing next year. So this is probably 2-year project. So right now on 12.7%. Nothing changed from last stream because I'm still working on the log system in the game. And let me show. So my laptop is going to be a little bit slow. Let me delete all this stuff because I'm building Unreal Engine shader. So there is a Unreal Engine 5.8 came in, and I don't know why, but I just feel like I need to keep things updated, so I updated it, and now I'm waiting for shaders to build, and it takes a lot of resources, of course. But let me show the game. It's going to lag a bit, but I think it should be fine. So this is the game, and let me make it a bit quieter. It's too loud for me. Live rock, those minions are disabled, so I can quickly test things out. So probably should disable the crystal guardian, crystal guardian.
Systems enhanced.
And this is the lock in the distance, and it's fully functional, but it's not pretty.
Weapons free zone.
And there is a free crystals, and I can unlock them, and as soon as I unlock free crystals, there is a music is playing, so it's kind of trigger for it's a cue for cinematics. Of course, cinematics is not implemented yet, so I need to do several things. One is need to update the icon. So there is I just took the icon from Kenny's assets pack, and it's too pixelated. So I think I need to bring it to my UI aesthetics. It's like green lines aesthetics. So let me work on that. Okay, so I'm going to run GIMP. So there is a button icon. I do not know why it's not working. So I'm kind of not used to. So let this version of GIMP. It's kind of way newer. So I'm wondering if maybe I can so let me look at the images on internet. So I want keyboard button, just one button. Yeah, something like this. So if I apply edge detection filter to that, it's actually working quite well. There is not too many, so let me see what kind of edge detection difference in Gaussians. I don't know. Edge. Oh, that is actually pretty good. Yeah, let's see more. So essentially this one is the This one is I don't know if I'm liking that button. Let's see. Okay, so so we do have alpha channel. Um, color to alpha. So maybe I can do it better with curves. saturation. So what's going on? Why it's behaving like this? Ah, probably need to flatten everything. I don't know. So maybe that button would be better. One? Yeah, that button is way better. Okay. Okay, let's see how it's gonna look like in game.
Crystal Sanctuary has to be protected.
Systems enhanced. Weapons free zone.
Okay. So let me update the lock. Oh no. Um, can I dissolve the edge? So I will need to do this sort of cuts. I don't so internal one I think can be like this. We don't care too much about I wouldn't think we probably do not need all these walls. This is like this. Yeah, from here it looks fine. I'll have it like this, and that's super interesting. So what is this? It's just a giant triangle. Okay. Or what? Bounding box. Okay. I don't have that's super strange. I guess that's alright. So I do not have scroll wheel. So it was I do not know, is it possible to add like more stuff without the scroll wheel, because I'm using tablet, so I have to kind of use the mouse and it's kind of awkward. I'm wondering if I can just apply the I don't know, maybe marble material or something like this. Let me open cave one, maybe cave, this one. So let's see if we have interesting materials. I don't want this material, but if we can have marble or something like more interesting. Yeah, I don't think we have it's all like this sort of wet oh hey Chad and Au So how you doing? I did not notice your messages because I was too focused on what I'm doing. I'm looking for good material. So maybe decor pillar. Maybe that material can be used. Hey, finally my Unreal Engine built all the shaders. So let me quickly test it. So there is a problem with the tablet, and I think it's not the issue with Unreal Engine, it's issue with SDL3, and it's doing it has swapped left and right, and still building shaders. So this is supposed to be right, and this is not right. This is right. So it has swapped left and right. So looks like there is an issue with SDL3 and Wacom tablets. Left and right, middle and right buttons are swapped.
Looks like there is an issue with SDL3 and vacuum tablets. Left and right, middle and right buttons are swapped.
So I have same issue with my game, and I just hacked it inside the game, but it would be really hard to hack it in Unreal Engine. So let's see. Yeah, it's swapped. It says could not connect. I explicitly put X11. SDL video driver X11. Would it help? I don't know why I'm debugging it. I'm not going to use it. I'm going to use my stuff. Ah, I know why I'm debugging it, because I have exactly same issue with my game. How did I get into the programming? It was a long time ago. I do not remember exactly. I think I've got the first device what I've got to be programmable. It was programmable calculator, and I get hooked on it. I don't know. So yeah, did not swap stuff. It was a long time ago. This was in 90s. Or even maybe in 80s. No, it was in 90s. In early 90s, I've got the programmable calculator, and then I got the Sega computer. It was Sega SC3000. Yeah, it looked like this. Yeah, it looks like exactly like this. And I had basic, so basic cartridge, so I can put it here. And I was programming bunch of different stuff in basic. I had instruction, all documentation, so it was Italian version of the computer, so all documentation was in Italian, and I don't speak Italian, but I was just I don't know, I even did not speak English at this time, so I don't know how I was able to figure out stuff. So I guess young mind and dedication. So I learned basic from Italian manual of Sega SC3000. Just doing all random stuff and smashing buttons until it works. That was good days. So yeah, look at this basic. I had this basic cartridge. That was good days. Anyways, I'm not going to debug swapped left. Would be interesting to figure out what's going on here. And the thing is, this explanation is not convincing.
You've hit a very real and incredibly annoying bug. The issue stems from a combination of Unreal Engine 5.7 transitioning to SDL3 and a long-standing mismatch in how Linux/X11 and SDL3 map Wacom stylus buttons. Essentially, standard Linux mouse interpretation uses 1 equals LMB, 2 equals MMB, 3 equals RMB, but due to an interpretation conflict regarding stylus inputs in SDL3X11 backend, buttons 2 and 3 get flipped. Because UE 5.7 uses SDL3 under the hood, this underlying bug bubbles right up into your editor viewport controls. Are the best ways to work around this until an official SDL3 or Unreal Engine patch drops. Method 1. The environment variable fix simplest if you are running a Wayland-based desktop environment like Modern GNOME or KDE Plasma, but launching Unreal in X11 mode. SDL3 might be getting confused by double translating the input map. You can try forking the engine to strictly use the X11 backend and launching it from the terminal like this. If you are already natively in an X11 session, this may not completely fix the inverted mapping, but it resolves major UI/tooltip rendering bugs present in UE 5.7 on Linux.
So method 2 would break my vacuum for everything else but fix for Unreal.
2 would break my vacuum for everything else but fix for Unreal.
Vacuum. Yeah, so it's broken in Unreal Engine. So I'm just going to sit on my ass and wait and it's get fixed. Yeah, I think it's fine. So what material? Maybe that material. Yeah, let's try that. We'll see how it's gonna look like. MI floor pieces SM floor piece A. MI floor pieces SM floor piece A. Floor piece A. Append. So this might be me, yeah. It might be me. 20 years ago? I don't know if it's 20 years ago. So there is the most popular video what I made on that. It was Tetris C++. Crap, I cannot find it anymore, I guess. Yeah, it was, you just type Tetris C++ and you can find it. And anyways, it might be me. Not too much change over 20 years, right? It's everything same. UV. So let me try to do cube projection. Cube projection. Interesting. Why doesn't work? No. Hey, look at this. No way. Yeah, it's it still doesn't look good. It's kind of have weird look. Why it's maybe I can do it kind of this way. Scooch it here. Why is getting all this stuff? Let's see how it's gonna look like in game. Stop guessing. Let's just look at this in game.
Crystal Sanctuary has to be protected.
Years ago, yeah. I have a Russian channel which is completely abandoned. Oh, look! Wow, it looks so good actually. No way. Okay. It's actually me. Yeah, you found me. I was hiding for 17 years from you, especially. Actually, yeah, it was kind of I was I mean I think the internet changed, people changed. Back in the day, people were way more stray. I don't know. It's like it was hurting. It's like people were saying, even were they were exciting, and they were saying like, and for some reason I did not feel very good about the commands and way how it was represented. I do not know why. I mean, I kind of know, I guess. So I decided to start new channel, and as well I wanted to go to the English speaking audience. Anyways, there is a lot of reasons. And our one had some problems with monetization. I'm still cannot monetize my channel, but back in the day our channel was monetized, but because I moved to United States, my address changed and something glitched inside the YouTube backend, and I could not monetize my channel. I was thinking I'll make the new channel and it will monetize it, and never were able to monetize new channels. So all different stuff. Yeah, it was not good days. Good days was then I was playing around with Sega SC3000. Okay, so for some reason it doesn't look good here, but in game it looks very, very good. So let's keep it the in-game way. So the wheels, external data, pack resources, unpack resources. So let's see how it's gonna. Just probably need to save, maybe. Yeah. So if I change it to that, UV key projection. It's cool to see that you are still passionate about the same stuff. C++, dude, C++ is amazing language. I love C++. How about you? Like, I'm very curious, like, how much I influenced you with my passion. That's make my day. Tell me your story. Are you in software engineering? What language are you using? What are you doing? Are you doing game development? So it may work. Let's try that. So material and cube projection. And by the way, if you're more comfortable, you can say stuff in Russian. I can read Russian very well. This is my mother tongue language. Okay, let's see. I'm excited. If it's why it's so I don't think I can do it here, so I should do it this way. It's fine.
Crystal Sanctuary has to be protected.
Systems enhanced.
Yeah, that's not very good. Okay, no worries. So, are you worried? It's no big deal. Inner ring, outer ring. So. Duplicate that, put it here, inner ring, duplicate, put it here, and yeah, so inner ring, apply, outer ring, apply. So now I probably should select faces. Like if I do like this, I was in 6th grade and I looked your tutorial. I couldn't understand the basic concept of programming. Could write some code in basic, but couldn't understand the concept. Apply to apply that. Yeah. And you really helped me to ramp up, and I even started to win informatics contests. Wow. That's cool. So you're 6th grade. It's what is it? 12? Yeah, 12, 13 years old plus 17. So now you are 30 years old, right? You full-grown adult. 30 years old. 31, yeah. I did my math correctly. That's crazy. Can you imagine? And for me, is almost nothing changed. I mean, I've got in the game industry, so I've got in the AAA game studio right now and working. So this is kind of big shift in my career. But yeah, but essentially the whole year I was doing software engineer. For whole my life I was doing software engineer, starting, I don't know, from the age of 15, maybe 14. Was doing stuff, and I did not have hardware, of course, because at this time there is no, like, it's a new thing and nobody had it. So I had some magazines and was studying without, and it's like writing programs on the paper and imagining how it's going to run and work. Of course, then I've got this thing. I pull all my notes and try to enter and see what's going to happen, and of course it did not work, but after some polishing it did work. Cool stuff. Why it's so I selected all of these, but here it's only, oh, it's all in one place. That is it true? Oh, everything is just collected here. So what I can do, so probably project from view, scale it down like this, and do it like this. So this might be good stuff. This might be not. Oh, I know. So I made mistake. So let's me undo. So I shouldn't select those stuff. Okay. So now, now project from view, scale down. I'm not sure what's going on here. This guy's kind of broken. I do not know why. Oh, because so I need to find out how I can. It's like if I select them like this, maybe it's gonna work. Okay. Project from view. Why this thing is? Let's try again. Project from view. What the heck? So I think what I want to do, maybe if I do it like this. What is this? I don't know what exactly you mean under that question. Like this wheel, it's a wheel with numbers. It's main numbers from 0 to 19, because mine or Babylonian, I do not know. Actually, I think I picked Babylonian. Like, anyways, it's a base 20 numbering system. Yeah, so it's a puzzle. What it's going to be puzzle in the game. I'll show you. Actually, it's gonna work, even like a not fully properly textured. So the idea is to open the door, and to open the door, you have to pick the combination, and the combination is 3 dots and the line and 2 dots.
Crystal Sanctuary has to be protected.
So I disabled our minions, otherwise we have to kill them all. So I can test rapidly. So this is the kind of lock, the puzzle box, and you have to select the right combination by selecting the, and you have to select like a 3 dots here. Yeah, thank you. And so this one is not textured well, so it's hard to see. And then line and 3 dots, or 2 dots.
Weapon screen, no.
Then it opens the gate, and then you can get inside. And here it's very simple. You just click on 3 of them, and it's going to start the cinematics, but the cinematics is not implemented, just playing the music. Yeah, this is what I'm doing. So I need to texture bottom one. Oh, wait a second, I picked the wrong ring. So probably should yeah, this is the right ring. This was serious, but this has serious potential. I can't wait to see how it's gonna turn out. You can see, look, you can make the math. So it is day 122 and progress is 12.7%. So you can just make the quick math. I think the projection is 2.5 more years to finish the game, but hopefully I will finish it in the early 2028. Yeah, and of course subscribe and follow my progress, and you know, more people watching my stream makes algorithm thinks it's interesting, and more our people's joining. So you can help me. You can help me by doing what everybody asking to do on YouTube. I don't have Steam page yet, and there is a, because I'm working in the game studio, I need to do some paperwork because it's a potential conflict of interest, and I'm going through that process. And still, I don't think I can make the Steam page. So next year, 2027, I will do some paperwork to allow me to put the demo on Steam. So yeah, it's a process. Yep. So that's it. The beauty of my setup, I don't need to do anything else. So I just made the modification on Blender and hit save button. Of course, if I updated the textures, I need to save texture, but just to save, and that's it. Everything else my build script should pick up. So I just press the build and run button, and it should look correct now.
Crystal Sanctuary has to be protected.
Systems enhanced.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. And you know why it's free and line and two dots? So I will explain to you. So this is the base 20 positional system, and so 3 dots means 3, and line 2 dots means 7. So line is 5. So you can have multiple lines, right? So like for example, you have like 2 lines, so it means 10, and 4 dots, so it means 14. You have 3 lines, it means 15. So, and
Weapons free zone.
and you have 3 and 7, and it's, oh, that's a bug. So if door is open, it should not make the sound. And it's base 20, and base 20 means, like, you know, if you in decimal system have 2 and 5, for example, it means 2 times 10 plus 5, and here is it means 3 times 20 plus 7. So 3 times 20, it's 60, and plus 7, it's 7, so it's 6, 7. This is the code to open the Crystal Sanctuary. It's very convoluted joke, completely internal. It's like not too many people would know. So okay, let me fix the bug. So it's in the log. So this is the lock on. No way, I just said yeah, now only you and I know why it's 3 dots and line and 2 dots. Okay. Door open. Oh, okay, so the sound is coming from the door. Door. So I have base door here. Is open equals true. So I guess I can do if is open return. So here we go. Bug is fixed. The game opened in the wrong screen.
Crystal Sanctuary has to be protected.
Systems enhanced.
Uh-oh. Is open. No, it should work. What? What a freak? What else did I change? It's only that. What? Come on.
Also said, that in a pose that's not good grimacing face.
Not good. Oh, you're watching me through two sources, from YouTube and from Twitch. That's higher concurrency. It's a fake concurrency. It's not organic concurrency.
Has to be protected.
Had to sub and follow bro, thumbs up.
Thank you for doing that. That helps. It helps a lot.
Systems enhanced.
Okay, let's see. Why it did not trigger the door opening? It's just a one change, and it is a super hard to make a mistake. So 3 dots and line and 2 dots, right? It's not working. What the heck? How did I mess up? Sesame open. How did I mess up? If not is open, return. What the freak?
Crystal Sanctuary has to be protected.
Systems enhanced.
What?
Weapons free zone.
How did I mess it up? If not is open, return. Be right back. I'm thirsty. I need some water. It should be is open return, right? So if it's already open, don't open second time. Oh my god. Okay, let's try.
Crystal Sanctuary has to be
See if this
protected.
bug is fixed. Sometimes you just need to have a little brain to figure out what's going on.
Systems enhanced.
Okay, let's see. Free. Yeah, it's opening, and let's see if it's gonna open second time. And it's not
Weapons
happening
free
second
zone.
time. this is cool. So let me quickly texture. So this is great. I'll do it for everything. So open cave. Okay, so pedestal. There is a pedestal, and I'm going to assign to that this magical material. Let's go to UVs. So let's do cube projection. So I did material view. There is a UV map. It doesn't do anything. I think I need to create new map probably. Yeah. So what material did I pick? MI wall for free, SM wall for free. Yeah, I don't think I want that. 2.6, no. For free. 4.6, no. 6.6, no. I don't know, maybe like this. Maybe like this.
Crystal Sanctuary has to be protected.
Systems enhanced.
Weapons-free zone.
Okay. That's fine. Honestly, I don't think I'm super happy about that. This looks way better. This looks super glitchy, like there is this sort of lines here. Hmm. So it's what material is it? MI floor piece, SM floor piece. So UV map 1. So now I can delete that. So let me unwrap angle based. So probably I need to delete that bottom one, so unwrapping may make it easier. Unwrap angle based. Still problematic. Cube projection. Hmm. What the freak? What's going on? And unselect that. Or select that and select that. Oh, finally. What is going on here? You're so annoying. What's going on? Why they are connected? Interesting. Oh, this is ah. No. Okay. Okay. Where are I supposed to put this triangle? So I did not want to overlap them, but apparently I would need to overlap triangles. It may make things harder, but I think we can handle it. For now, we still have non-overlapping areas. So that just need to find I guess this area is pretty good. It's quite clean. So that one can go here. Hello, Emmanuel. Hello, Emmanuel. How you doing? So stairs. I guess this side is kind of fine to put in. Let's find more or less good-looking area. So this is not too much important, and those are quite important, I guess. So let's put them. What I'm working on. I'm texturing wet area. This is the sort of pedestal for the in the crystal sanctuary. So it's for my game. I can show you, actually. I can show at any time. Even texturing is not finished. So I'm doing UV unwrapping but I can show at any time, so I can save and rebuild. It takes a bit of time because cave is being to build the cave, but the process is quite seamless. And this is my game. So this is my user interface in the game, and this is the final boss. I'm liking to make the thinking it's a good idea to make the game backward from the final boss to the beginning of the game. So this is the final boss, and I'm working the puzzle. The puzzle is done, but I need to do like art, so I'm doing texturing. So I finished the texturing for this puzzle lock, so have to enter the combination to unlock the door.
Weapons 3, no.
Locks, and this is the what I'm working on. So it doesn't look very good, unfortunately. And there is a very nasty Z fighting here. What rendering API I'm using? So it's called BGFX. So it's sort of a middle end. So it's a middle end. It's not high-level API. It's not low-level API like OpenGL. It's something in the middle, which I'm actually really liking, because I don't need to do all this boilerplate what requires to do with Vulkan, but I have enough control to be able to do rendering the way I want to have it. So it's called BGFX. I'll type in the chat in a second. BGFX. So you can look it up. It's pretty good. I'm really liking it.
Mika said BGFX.
And you know what I learned, there is a lot of people focused on the rendering part of the game, but what I learned, rendering part is not too hard, and as well my goal is not to have the greatest fidelity in the world, because it's not possible to beat the Unreal Engine. But I just want to have something which is decent. You use Vulkan, sweating face. I as well was considering using Vulkan in the beginning, but again I want to have control. And for example, if I decided I want to put my game on the web and just make people to play from the web, with BGFX I would be able to do it. And another thing is super hard to set it up, Vulkan right, and it's very low level. It does not help you, and even with BGFX, because it's talking to the graphics, so there is not too much help from the language. Like then I'm programming in C++, there is a type system, there is always safe checks and check and balances. And with BGFX it's not like this, and if you did a lot of graphic programs, I did not do too much, but I kind of get the grasp, understanding. It's either you're getting like a full mess or nothing, and super hard to debug, and there is of course debugging techniques, and I'm learning on the way as well. I'm using Linux, so a lot of debugging techniques are not working. It's like there is some debug tools, and they are not working on Linux, so it's kind of hard. But what it's the concept by itself is not super hard. Just implementing it, just because you kind of doing it blind and have to, instead of littering your code with printfs, you just doing some weird stuff and like rendering pixels and making screenshots and like using the pipette to get the colors and get the meaning from that colors. Yeah. Yeah, okay, so let me continue to do texture, and I'm kind of not liking how it looks like. Where's so it's low resolution, so yeah, it is low resolution. Maybe I can try to make it higher resolution, and so if I put it here, maybe it would be better. Okay, so stairs, I guess that's fine. So put it here, maybe. Yeah. And last one. So I guess put it here as well. It's like maybe with slight offset, so if I needed to select it, it would be easier to select. Not sure if it's gonna look good. So let's save.
Crystal Sanctuary has to be protected.
Systems enhanced.
Weapons free zone.
Okay. Oh, this is Z fighting. Ugh. But everything else is not bad. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it's kind of low resolution. And again, Z fighting. Yeah. And Z fighting. So I think I can fix Z fighting by quickly selecting sides and triangulating them. Okay, so hopefully it would triangulate the way I want it to triangulate. Okay, let's see, and then I triangulate them. Okay, it did it the way I want it, and yeah, this is the annoying part, so I need to manually select a single one, and there is so many of them. Anyways, this is the sometimes you have to do it this way. So maybe I should pick some marble material and make it marble. Oh. Yeah, that's enough. Yeah, I don't. Okay, so let's try again with that. So select. Okay, and triangulate. Yeah, I did triangulate wrong way. You must be kidding me. Well, fixed. Worked. Okay. And 6 more times. At least I can select that quickly. Okay. So that sign. Triangulate. Okay, 4 more times. So that and that. Okay, there is no bottom. I guess I deleted it. That's interesting. How did I delete it? Nobody knows. So probably I was deleting it and then gave up some point. It's like thinking, ah, that's too much work. Okay, 2 more times. Do not know what time is it. I'm getting sleepy. I was taking nap for whole day and I'm still sleepy. I guess it's a sign of getting old. This is my new hobby, by the way. Sleep. You know, it's so good. You just get in the bed and it feels so good. You're clueless then it comes to 3D modeling. Yeah, it's it is actually it's like my brain works way better with 3D modeling. It just I guess because world is 3D, so I kind of understand it better. So for me, then I was like trying to do drawing. It's like, you know, there is a foreshortening techniques and all this stuff, and it's just more not clicking in my brain, because it's like I understand, I can see the picture in 3D in my brain, but I do not know how to convert what I see in my brain into the 2D. And 3D modeling for me is easier than to do 2D. Sometimes I even I need to make icon, I make it in 3D and then render it. So I use Blender for a lot of stuff. It's like it's my hammer, and everything else is a nail. All our problems is a nail. So I'm thinking maybe I should bevel that part. Does it look good? Yeah, I think it does. So maybe I should select all these edges and bevel them. So I need to use the scroll bar, scroll wheel. Yeah, I guess it looks good. Yeah, something like this. So that one is what if I move it here? Still kind of low poly. The resolution of textures is too low. Don't know. It's like this top part is so maybe I can move it. I don't know. So maybe here, make it smaller, but it would be let's see how it's gonna look like in game. Let's switch to that, and oh, it's gonna take for anyways, maybe I should get the different material like a marble.
sanctuary has to be protected.
Systems enhanced.
Weapons free zone.
Okay, so there is no Z fighting anymore. That's good. This is smooth. It's not smooth. So I need to fix that. Yeah, this like looks so it's like Mario game, Mario 3D games, like, you know, the old Nintendo game. Yeah, I guess I'll fix that. Make the smooth. I can just put auto smooth. But this one, I don't know. It's like maybe here. Let's see. Okay.
Crystal sanctuary has to be protected.
Systems enhanced.
Weapons free zone.
It's better. Yeah, it's better. Still, I think it's acceptable. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, one more thing. I want make the target more visible. The target. Mobile call. It's called mobile. Just a target. GIMP. Open. Essence. Open. What? It's barely visible, so it's 2% opacity. Why have two of them? I'm wondering, maybe I should make it 100% opacity and drive the opacity from the game. So why there is a copy? Or it's a blurred version? Oh, there is no difference. What? This is not rendering anything. Oh, because it's 2%. Oh, it is blurred version, okay. Okay, so let's have this 100%, and in the game I'll just do dot color equals 0.4. I think it's called tint. Okay. And after that, I'll wrap my stream. Oh yeah. It is very visible now. So, interesting. 0.2. It's 20%. Oh, okay, so it was 2%, so it's 0.5. So this one, this was 2%, and now I roughly doubled it. Oh my god, it's opened in a different screen again. So I think this is good. Let me see on my smaller screen, not on 4K screen. Yeah, it's maybe 10%. Yeah, 10% is okay. So now I will not can just update the drawing.
Systems enhanced.
Weapons free zone.
Okay. Okay, so stage that. Stage that. Let's make the commit. It's going to make the commit. So let me look at the stage changes. So commit. Finalizing stall and lock in.
Finalizing pedestal and lock in crystal sanctuary.
Finalize pedestal and lock in crystal sanctuary. Texture stall.
Texture pedestal is a term that can be used in different contexts, such as in art, design, or even in technical fields like computer graphics. However, the phrase texture pedestal on its own is not a complete sentence and may be ambiguous or incomplete. If you're referring to a specific concept, object, or idea, please provide more context so I can give you a more accurate and helpful response.
Texture lock. Update lock buttons icon.
Update lock button icons. Make target assets opaque and drive transparency from the code.
Fix them.
Fix the bug where selecting the opening combination twice was triggering the open door SFX even when the door is already opened.
Okay. So I'm going to copy paste it into Discord. I have Discord running. Oh yeah, I do have Discord running. Okay, thank you for watching and hopefully see you next time. Bye.